Hello, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Now today I'll be sharing a quick and simple recipe for a garlic butter chicken. So guys, without further hesitation, let's jump straight into the video. So here I have some chicken breast already washed and clean. I washed these with lemon juice and vinegar. And I have some cornstarch over here, some vegetable stock. I have a mixture of complete seasoning, garlic powder, paprika and black pepper, but you could use any season you like. I have some butter. I have 8 cloves of garlic minced. I have some soy sauce. I have some chili flakes and some honey. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my seasoning. Now, as I said before, you could use any flavor profile that you like. It doesn't have to be the same as mine. You could use anything that you like. And I'm going to go in and add a couple tablespoons of cornstarch. Now the cornstarch is to ensure that we get a nice crust on the meat without burning. And I did forget to mention we will be needing an egg. So I'm just going to break the egg right in, and I'm going to go ahead and massage this and allow this to sit for about an hour or 30 minutes. Whatever time you have, the longer it sits, the better it gets. So I'm going to let this go for about 30 minutes to an hour. After some time, I'm just going to go in and add some oil and butter to my pot. Now the oil is to prevent the butter from burning. So yes, now that my butter and oil is nice and hot and combined, I'm going to go ahead and start frying these off. Now you could go ahead and add this in one batch, but I want them to have a little bit of crust and texture. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this in batches. You want to make sure that the meat is fully cooked all the way through. So we're going to go for about 4 minutes on one side, or until there's, just cook it until it's no longer pink on the inside. And of course, I will leave the full measurement for this recipe down in the description box, so you could go ahead and check it out. And you could show me some love by clicking on the subscription button, turning on the post notification bell, leave me a itty-bitty comment telling me what you think about this recipe. I'll highly appreciate it. Now the first set is done. I'm going to go ahead, remove it from the pan, and I'm going to continue on with the rest of them using the same step. Now that all my chicken has cooked up, I'm just going to remove these from the pan and continue on with the next step. So I'm going to my pan, I'm just going to add some butter, and I'm going to go in with the garlic. Now guys, you want to make sure that you have fresh garlic for this. I'm going to toss it a bit because I don't want the butter to burn. Now I'm going to go in with my chili flakes. You add your chili flakes according to your spicy level. So however hot, however mild you like it, or you could just leave it out. To this, I'm going to go in with some soy sauce. I'm going to go in with some honey. And I'm going to go ahead and add a couple teaspoons of cornstarch to my chicken stock, or if you don't have chicken stock, you could totally use water. And I'm going to go ahead and mix this in until we have a nice thick and glassy sauce. And as I mentioned before, a written recipe will be down in the description box, so you could go ahead and check that out. Now that my sauce is nice and come together and nice and thick, I'm just going to go ahead and add back my chicken and give it a good toss. And the recipe is basically that, guys. Quick, simple and easy recipe to put together any day of the week, any time of the day. So I'm just going to go ahead and coat this generously in all that garlicky goodness, and that's it. I'm just going to go ahead and garnish this with some fresh parsley. This part is totally optional, but it has a little bit of color to my dish and makes it a little bit more prettier to eat. Okay, that's it, my beautiful people. This is what my garlic butter chicken is looking like, and this was so good. It was so tasty and flavorful, and we didn't even need a lot of ingredients to make this one. Now guys, try this recipe out. Let me know down in the comment section what you think about this recipe, and you could tag me on Instagram at Toya's Kitchen to let me see your creation. I went ahead and served this up with some white rice and some vegetable on the side. That's it, my beautiful people. I thank you so much for watching. Until then, I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.